Yeah, today we discuss the topic called installation xampp. Now search with xampp installation. Download xampp. This is for Windows 64-bit, and this is for Linux, and this is for Mac OS. You download 7.3 or 7. Latest is 7.4. You download 7.2 or 7.3. I already downloaded. No. Yeah, and after we downloaded, we click the downloaded link and we put yes. Then we give continue with installation. Next. The installation will start installing the packages. Yeah, installation completing process will going on. Almost 99% the installation should be completed. Yeah, installation is completed. Now go to xampp, and they having xampp controller, and click with xampp controller. And xampp controller, they having Apache and MySQL, and start with Apache and MySQL. uh, After we can run with your PHP program, they will successfully run. They throw some error, some DLL file missing, because I installed with 7.4 example. We installed with the 7.2 is not problem created. Okay, but 7.4 some DLL is missing. That DLL should be updated. That will work fine. That's all. That's all about the installation process. Then next video we can see that introductions to the PHP on Monday. Monday as coming Saturday, Sunday or Monday. Yeah, thank you.